And we're back at the beach. So, got a little news for you guys. Things are going to be changing on the channel. Actually got a really good opportunity to move. So right now I'm in the sunny Southern California. Going to be moving over to Bend, Oregon. So instead of all this sunshine, we're going to have a lot of green going on. So anyway, here we go. And we're in Oregon, Bend, Oregon. So just wanted to let you know that the channel is going to change a little bit. We're going to be doing a lot more commercial going forward. Look at me, I'm a commercial tech now. Got the big boy pants on. But anyway, for the most part, everything else is going to stay the same. We're going to still do the theory. We're just going to still do the basics and the reviews. But I just wanted to thank everybody for all your support, for all the comments, and all the subscriptions, and all the likes. I really appreciate it. The channel's starting to grow a little bit. But keep on watching because we got some good stuff coming. So thanks again for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, comment, tell me what a horrible technician I am, hit that bell notification, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thanks for watching.